Starting with the first part of statistics, chapter number 1, that is index number. To understand the meaning of index number and why it is necessary to calculate index number, we will take one example. For example, two products are given, product A and product B, and prices of these two products, prices of product A and product B for the year, for example 2010 and 2015 is given. We are assuming that in the year 2010, price of product A was 100 rupees, and in the year 2015, price of product A rises to 120, and for product B, price of product B in the year 2010 was 500 and it increases to 550 in the year 2015. Now we will calculate the difference between price of product A in the year 2010 and 2015 and product B in the year 2010 and 2015. So difference between these two prices is 20 rupees. So there is an increase of 20 rupees in the price of product A in the year 2015, and in the same way the difference between these two prices is 50 rupees. So we can say that the price of product B increases from 500 to 550, means 50 rupees increase in the price of product B. So this difference, this change in the price of product is known as absolute change. This change is known as absolute change. And in another way, if you will try to understand the difference between the price of these two products, the another way is to calculate the ratio for the price of these two products. So ratio we will calculate for product A. Price in the year 2015 is 120 and in the year 2010 it was 100. So ratio is 1.2 for product A, and for product B 550 divided by 500. So here the ratio is 1.1. So here if we compare the difference, जब हम यहाँ पे difference को compare करेंगे, so here we will conclude that the increase in the price of product B is more than that of product A. But if we see here in this type of comparison, we can see that in case of product B, change is less, and in case of product A, change is more. Okay, so here it depicts another image of the product. Here in case of product B, you can see that the difference is less than that of product A. ओके जो चेंज हुआ है प्रोडक्ट बी की प्राइस में वो रिलेटिवली और इन कंपैरिजन टू प्रोडक्ट ए कम है. सो देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ चेंजेस. Two types of changes are there. One is absolute change and another is relative change. Absolute change is nothing but finding difference between the two attributes or two variables, and here in relative change we find ratio between the two variables, and when we multiply these ratios with 100, we will find what we will find? We will find an index number. Okay, so When relative change is expressed in terms of percentage, it is called as index number. So here we get an idea about what is index number. We got an idea about the meaning of index number. So when relative change is expressed in terms of percentage, it is called index number.